tuning in, and hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be going to the SXEKINGZ BBQ meet. It's about that time of the month. We got the barbecue rolling in. I'm still in the dually sadly, so I'm not really going to be a part of the barbecue parking event. I'm just going to park somewhere on the side. But yeah guys, so I'm going to roll over there and I'll see you guys when I get there. Yeah. Alright y'all, so as you guys can see, we're finally here. Damn, yeah. You out? Yo, Dom's car, god damn. New wheels, they look beautiful though. Wrinkle block, yeah, not bad. Summy's GS, you know, just portraying us getting now a GS. And then Herc also got all new parts. It looks nice as hell though. GTE. The part out king is the last meet. I'm gonna see this bucket. Nah, I'm gonna miss this car though. Doc. Alex is 1J.
Yeah, you can barely see it, but you can feel it. When I was driving here.
Damn, I'm sad that he's parting out the car though. But I'm really gonna miss his car. But that come up's gonna be real good though. Full-on race car, Honda.
See my boy?
Alright, peace out. Yo, but this is
post like this, and then stock IS300 fans. That's why I'm gonna have all mine.
god damn.
I mean, that's what they do.
This thing's super sleeper though. This thing's beautiful. Damn, I like that. 3D printed. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this thing's so nice. I like those wheels. Wait, if I can't see it. There we go. I love those wheels. This thing's beautiful though. For sure. Huh? Yo, your blue's a little off. Hey, if you want to do a two-step, go for it. This thing's just gorgeous. Oh, Vesta's out here too. Oh, he's just gonna go around?
Watermelon.
There's definitely a good amount of cars out here though. It's like, I think we got a count of 20 something cars, almost 30. But yeah, there's been a good amount of cars. Damn, I love this car though. Lester's car is beautiful. And it keeps getting better every time I see it too. Carbon fiber hood also. This thing's just gorgeous. I don't know, I love it. Oh my god.
You sure you closed your door right?
Yeah, why is it open?
Here tools in the back.
You're good. Yeah, I hear it a lot. Yo, AC in a race car though, that's the best thing in the world.
I turned it off.
Oh, okay.
Damn, I'm only sweating. I got Mario.
This is what a real off-road car does. Alright, so from here we're actually gonna go do a little rollout to oh shit. Oh shit! Cool. We're gonna do a rollout all the way to the Guitar, which is a place that's getting built now.